Hi everyone, I'm Terry and this is the Yarn Joy podcast, episode number 463, finally. So it's been a couple of weeks between episode 462 and now 463. A lot went on. As if you've been following me, you know that my channel was down for a little bit and then, or for a week, and then got that restored and then had different things going on, so I just hadn't gotten back into the full swing of things as far as all the videos I usually make. But yes, I am so happy to be here to film one of these type of videos. And now I have some things to show you, but not a lot. But I wanted to come on and get a video out to you to show you, what I've been working on. Okay, so today is August the 27th, toward the end of the month of August 2026, and so I still needed to do 4 of the Preemie hats that I have been making every month, and I hadn't made any of them yet, and so I made all 4 of them. So that's the biggest thing I'm going to be showing you, because I spent the day yesterday making these hats, seems like, and so let me show you. Okay, so I made 2 of each kind. The first one is the Hungry Caterpillar, based off the children's book Hungry Hungry Caterpillar. And of course I did not write down, I was about to say maybe I remember what the website is called, but no, but I'll link it down in the description box. Now that pattern, that particular pattern, I altered it to make it a Preemie hat. So mainly I used a Preemie beanie pattern that I've pretty much got memorized. I used that for the beanie, and then I used DK weight yarn for the accessories, the eyes, the nose, the antennas, and I used the pattern how to make them. Okay. So anyway, here are my 2 Hungry Caterpillars. I think they turned out really cute. If you're familiar with the book, you should be able to recognize them, I think. So yeah, there is my 2 Hungry Caterpillars, or Hungry Caterpillars, Preemie hat version. Okay. So there's 1 and 2 of the 4 I need to make, and then I was trying to figure out, well, what do I make for the other 2? I was kind of running out of time yesterday evening, and I just wanted to go ahead and get the other 2 made. And so I ended up making a Pokemon ball hats. Okay, and this was a pattern. I just looked at a pattern, but I basically, I use the Preemie beanie hat pattern that I always use. Well, not always, but a lot of times I will use, because it comes out a good size. So I just made that, and then I looked at a picture, but I just, it's super simple, and I just kind of came up with it on my own. So anyway, here is my 2, and I made 2 of them, so then I have number 3 and number 4 for my hats. So there is the 2. And now that I'm looking, I'm thinking those circles were too big. These circles should have been a little smaller compared to how big the hat is. I didn't even realize that until now I'm looking at them in the camera. But anyway, there they are. So turned out good. I mean, yeah, I think so. And what I like is the fact that where the color change joins go, that's where I put that circle. So it looks really good because I covered up that part. So, yeah. So there's my 4 for the month. I'm happy to get those finished or done, okay? And then the only things as far as works in progress, I've been working on the all the Vlogmas items, and so I have been crocheting quite a bit, but I've been working on making sure I catch up or keep up or whatever with those. And I will have some new ones to show you on Monday. I think, yeah, I'm aiming for Monday for that video to come out. So I have been doing other crocheting, but it was for other things. And I finish it Friday. So, but for this episode, I don't have any whips to show you except for my Christmas cross stitch. Now I'm doing the 12 days of Christmas, and so I started in December, and so then I would be like 1 month ahead, because I'm hoping that this would be finished and I can get it framed and be able to put it up for Christmas, right? And so I am on square number 9, or day number 9, which is 9 ladies dancing, right? And so let me show you how much I've gotten done. Ooh, okay, so there is all of them right now. So I have 1 through 8 complete, totally complete. And here is the 9 ladies dancing. So yeah, it's got 1 lady, and then these little dots right there are going to be some music notes that I have to stitch on, and that's just like the bottom of the notes. I've got the 9. I did all this 1 red color, which was a lot of her dress, and the number 9. And let's see, what else did I do? I was working on this section across the top. There was some half stitches that I had to do kind of in here, and I kind of got down so far, but I can feel it. So yeah, so I gotta do more here and down across the bottom, and then of course there's some more here to do. So I mean, I still have quite a bit to do, and of course I haven't done any of the back stitching yet. This vine right here will continue through where these leaves are. And then I'll have more holly, which are French knots, that I will have to put on there. And then there's some leaves that go down this way. So yeah. But anyway, I've gotten a good amount done on it. And see, today's the 27th. So I don't know if I don't know. I've got more to work on before let's see, Monday, I think, is the 31st. So I'm hoping that I'll have that finished to keep up with my goal of doing 1 complete one each month, but we'll see. Okay, so that's all I was gonna show you for today, but I think I'm gonna draw a new magazine with my random number generator, because the magazine that I was gonna do, my magazine challenge, was this one right here. Here. This right here, number 15, okay? And so I was looking at the projects in here, because there's a page at the back that's got all the projects. And so I was looking, and I was just trying to figure out one that I wanted to make. And there was just a lot, I mean, a lot going on with my mom and my mother-in-law, and just, there's a lot going on. and so when I was trying to pick an item out of here, I just couldn't, I don't know, nothing was speaking to me. I really don't like to make wearables that much. I mean, they're cute, but I mean, I live in Texas and it's super hot here most of the time. And so you just don't need this stuff, cute, but anyway. And I have made this right here. You may recognize that blanket. So I have made that. So I have made something out of this issue. Yeah, but it wasn't during my magazine challenge series. So yeah. And these were cute, these little scarecrow, but I mean, I just made that scarecrow wall hanging, and so it just wasn't anything in here, even though I've got all these things marked. I just didn't see anything in there that was speaking to me that I wanted to make, and I didn't want to start a big blanket. I looked at it, but I mean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it back into the container, and, it'll come around again, and I'll pick it again. And then maybe I'll be in a better mood for one of these, I guess. Anyway, I'm going to pick another one because it's my challenge, so I can do it, right? So I'm going to pick another one. So I'm going to look up, for one thing, I need to get the random number generator on my phone here. It's random.org, O-R-G. So let me put that in there. And then I need to get my magazine. I put it up, my magazine container for these. So let me find this. Let's see, random.org. Okay, right there. Okay, now I'll edit it, but I'm gonna grab the magazine holder. So hang on just a minute. I got it. So this was number 15. I'm just going to put it back in there because it came out of this container. So let me see, 13, 14, and 15. I'm going to just stick it right back in. And this, I'm going to look at the back. It's between 1 and 20. So I'll know what number to put in my random generator here. It says minimum 1, maximum, I need to change that to 20. And okay, now I'm ready to hit generate, and we'll see what it says. Oh, it says number 4. So now let me look at number 4. I should have brought my notebook in here and I didn't, but maybe I'll recognize it. So number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is this one. I think I worked out of this one. Let me look. Oh, I did. Yeah. I made that doily right there. Yeah, I worked out of this one. So I need to pick a different number. Okay, so let me put this back. And we will generate again number 19. Okay, let me check that one. 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, no, I have not. I don't think I've made anything out of this one. Okay. So, no, for my magazine challenge, I think I have made something. I think I saw something, but for my magazine challenge, I haven't used this one yet. So, this is the magazine I'm going to be picking something out of. Lord willing, I'll find something, but yeah, I saw something in there I think I'll make. Anyway, so yeah, it's this one right here. It's Crochet World, August of 2022. So, yeah, that's a good blanket. That's a cute blanket, too. But anyway, so let's take a peek at the back here, and I will see. Oh, yeah. So, see the little drawstring right here? I think I made that fox one for somebody. I think I did. But that owl one is really cute, and the raccoon, yeah. So, yeah, there's maybe I'll make one of those drawstring bags, or there's some pretty cool looking blankets in here as well. Let's see, number 46 looks like, whoop, number 46 looks interesting. Let's see. And I mean page 46. Ooh. So it's this one. That one's pretty cool looking. Lots of big squares though. I don't know if I want to do that. And it looks like it's oh, it is. It's Tunisian crochet. Ooh, I haven't done a Tunisian one in a long time. There's 16 big Tunisian blocks that you have to make. I don't think I'm ready for that right now. So, there's a bag. Oh, there's a couple of tote bags. That one. There's another one. Yeah. There's a few. There's a hot pad. Looks like it's pretty cute. So yeah. Ooh, that's pretty right there, isn't it? Okay, so I'll pick something. So next week I will let you know. I have no idea if it'll be finished, but I will have at least picked something and got a little start on it. Okay, so yay. Okay, so that is the magazine I'm going to be working out of. I'll try not to pass on another one, you know. But let's see, what else? That's it. I have been working on my Finish It Friday project. In fact, I finished it. Well, I finished what I wanted to finish, you know, like my challenge, like I want to do this much. Well, I did finish it, that part. But now that I finished it, I'm almost thinking that it's big enough and I think it's going to be totally finished, I think. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and film that because I've already got the setup here and I'm ready to show that project. So I'll be wearing the same shirt. But yeah, check that out. But it'll come out tomorrow. Yeah, that one will be coming out tomorrow. I'll just go ahead and film it while I'm in here. I might as well go ahead and film it because I'm ready to show it. Okay. What else is going on? Just been trying to keep up with my Vlogust items, and I just finished my item for the letter W, and oh, it turned out so cute. Oh my goodness, really cute. I'll show you that on Monday. So that was W. Haven't started X yet. Y. I'm actually, as far as movies, I'm kind of ahead on the movies. I am all the way through Z on the movies. Yeah, and I picked out one because the next topic after the letter Z was supposed to be something with a number in the title, and I've already picked that out. Haven't watched it yet, but I may watch it this evening. And then, yeah, I'm going to make that number, whatever's in the title, I'm going to make that many of something, and I've already picked that out. I think it's cute. It's something that I've been wanting to make, and it means I need to make 6 of them. So we'll see. But I think it'll be a good project. But I'll show you all that on Monday. What else did I do today? I went and got groceries. I had to pick up some prescription refills for my husband, and so I did that today. Yeah, and I finished the Finish It Friday project, and that's about it. Yeah, my both my grandbabies are coming over for a little while tomorrow. My son wants to take my daughter-in-law out to dinner, and so they're coming over. And grandbaby number 1 has already informed us that we were going to have a movie night. And so my son said that involves pizza and popcorn. So I have to make sure we got that. And I think I'll message my daughter-in-law and ask her for a movie suggestion that we could watch with him. And little grandbaby number 2 is going to be here too. So when I was at Walmart today, I always like to go down the clearance aisle, and they had a bunch of toys on clearance. And so I bought a couple of items for the little grandbaby. It said it was good for 6 months, and one of them was 6 months and up, and the other one was 9 months and up. And so he's what is 10 months now? Almost. Oh my goodness. Wow. And time just flies. My grandbaby number 1 is now in kinder, and he seems to be really enjoying that. I can't wait to see him tomorrow, and he'll ask, I can ask him all about his class and everything about his school. So, okay, I'm going to go so then I can film the next video Friday for tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and film it now. So, yeah, that's about it. So check out tomorrow's video, and then check out, then I'll see you on Monday for Vlogust. Yeah. And either Monday's video or Tuesday's video, Blanket Bonanza, I will let you know what we did over the weekend. Okay, I'm going to go. Everybody have a great rest of your week. I know this is Thursday. And come back tomorrow. We'll have another visit, and that will be the next video. Bye-bye.